Ready? Let's move out. And here it is, Artyomушka. Our goal.
Come in, Woodman. Come in. Over. You're coming through loud and clear. Over. Fred the tower. I repeat, Fred the tower. Did the group move out? Over. Well, that's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over. Roger. We'll contact you again when we're at the top of the tower. Get a fix on our location then. Over.
Let's go. The others should already be here. Oh, there they are. Glad to see you, Colonel. Did you hear that? Listen. What the hell is it? Come a second.
Stay calm. Watch your backs, boys.
Okay. Looks is gonna be tougher than the library. And then, man.
Shit, wait! Fire at will! Hold the line!
Life was never easy in the tunnels.
Artyom! Awake at last, I see. Hunter's on his way in. He should have news from the other stations. Come on. Let's go, Artyom.
Shit. Pigs, disease. I've been through worse, and I'm not giving up. Hello, Artyom.
Yes, Nikolai?
The station can't survive much longer if these attacks don't stop. We must do something.
What more can we do? We'll see what
Dark
Hunter
ones will
says.
kill us all.
Sergei, have you seen my Sergei?
Hello, Artyom.
Everything will be
Our patrol was attacked last night. The hospital's full.
The situation's under control.
Mommy, do we need to wait
Let's go,
long?
Artyom.
What about Alexei? He was at the outpost.
Alexei was in the battle. Has anyone seen him? The captain said he was okay.
Peter!
I hope hope he's alive. Oh, that's you.
Was it the Dark Ones?
The situation's under control. Come on, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
How many dead?
How are the wounded?
Not much improvement. 2 died this morning.
The Dark Ones do not kill
God,
outright,
when will this ever end?
but they damage
Take it
victim's
anymore.
mind. Sooner or later, this leads to death.
Can't get it. I can't reach.
No. Keep away from me. What the hell? Who could that be?
It's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate. Welcome to Exhibition, Hunter.
Thanks. Now close your gate.
It's been a long time, Hunter.
Good to see you, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
So, Hunter, what's happening in the outside world these days?
Not much. Most of what I hear is about Exhibition and the undead infesting your tunnels. Artyom, I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City. I thought of your wall.
These are not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else.
What the
Something
hell?
much worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order has a motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
The Dark Ones
Intruder
do
alarm
not...
in the main vent shaft. They're coming in from above.
Shit. Just what we needed.
There are wounded here just behind the wall. The hall.
Kirill, take your group to the tunnels.
Alex,
Hunter and...
we must stay here and defend the hall.
All right, Artyom, quickly get a weapon. Artyom, get a weapon! Damn, they never come this far into the station.
It's the hospital. They smell the blood.
Keep firing!
Artyom, are you all right?
Of course. He's a dead-eye shot, this one. No Dark Ones here. Just the usual tunnel trash.
Even when you don't see them, the Dark Ones are there. Fear. That's their weapon. That's what made the Nosalises run through the tunnels like rats. The Dark Ones are not simple mutants. They're Homo Novus, the next step in evolution. You've heard about survival of the fittest? Guess what? We lost.
What's happened to you, Alex? You can go like lambs to the slaughter. I'll hang on to whatever life I got with teeth and claws. And I'll take more than a few of your Homo Novus with me to hell.
You think you're some old movie cowboy? Have a look, Hunter. 10 soldiers trained in combat. Their bodies broken, their minds gone.
The Dark Ones! They destroyed the outer guard post!
The devil knows what's happening out there, beyond your perimeter. I must go recon the situation. Listen carefully, Artyom. If I'm not back here by morning, you must get to police station and find a man named Miller. Tell him what's happened to me, and what's stirring in the northern tunnels. Show this to Miller, so he knows I've sent you. I trust everything to you, Artyom. Don't let me down. If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated. Understand?
Hunter did not return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards assigned on for the ride.